I'm mixing some cracked corn and beef pellets with calves. Put a little weight on. Mix is kind of looking like. I know you want some. I understand that. Now we gotta get the horses feed together. Got the cow feed right there. Got the horse feed in this little blue container. Cow feed's in that silver garbage can. This is the horse feed. And it's a blend of sweet feed. Well, sweet feed's a 10-10-10. Different protein ratio. So 10-10-10 and then solution 12. Two different things I've got in here. Each get a scoop. They will be on high alert. Look at them all standing right there in the woods. They hear me over here in the tack shack putting their feet together. Look, that little dude does too. He says, "Hey, when do I get some of that?" And then you got patrolman Roman there, keeping them all at bay. So once this feed, setting it out in their different little spots so they won't fight. Except that one, leave it. Good boy. Now we're gonna go let them in here so that they'll leave the cows alone while the cows eat. You go with me? Where'd you go? They've made it to the gate yet. They're smart. They know what the plan is. Hey, leave it. Come. He's trying to sneak back over there and eat that food. Come on. Good boy. Yep. Yep. Come on. Cow's just screaming. He says, "What about me?" What do you say, Twisty? What do you say there, pal? Come on. Come on. Go get it. Hey, Blue. You say hi, Aunt Candy? Hey, Aunt Candy. Hey. Hey. Get over here. Look at that cut. Dude, you are a muddy wreck. Twister just touched the fence. Or not Twister, but Blue. That feel good? Huh? Y'all are like children. I have to lead you down here. Go. Go get your food. Go. Finally. And then this one, she's like Daisy the dog. She's scared of everything. A little bit. Go find you some food. Go, Gunner will share with you. Go see Gunner, he'll share with you. It's time to get these two little knuckleheads fed. Why are you standing in the water, man? Look at this. Look at this. Standing way deep in the water. Reach out there and touch that fence while you're standing in the water. All right, let's get y'all fed. Give them. Yep, 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 yep. No. Oh, can we open the gate one-handed? Looks like half a hand with a bucket in one, a phone in the other. I got it. Come on, guys. Where y'all at? There you are. Okay, pal. There you go. Good stuff. Good stuff. My hand's got that shelled corn, cracked corn. Oh, look, oh, choke it. Tasty white. Boys. Just leave me alone. I'm trying to eat. Man, but you don't care. Oh, you're back. Last little bit. I learned just from doing this, I can retie my little bundles here. Pretty simple little knot. They come apart pretty easily. Just like that. And then I can carry that little half bale wherever I need without trying to keep it together. And these guys, I'm just trying to fatten them up. Give my brother the rest of the way. That one right there closest to us is a little steer. He ain't got no nuts. And we sold him to one of Grayson's customers. We're finishing raising him so he can then go to the butcher and he's gonna feed 3 families. So that's pretty cool. And then the other dude is a little bull. We left him in top, so he's got nuts. And I don't know what we're gonna do with him. Tracy thought he was super cute, so she wanted to keep him. So we kept him. We might try to rent him out. We might try to breed him if we pull some more cows back on here. But there's the boys. So this will give them time to eat on their own without being harassed by horses.